this video, I'm going to walk you through on the new unified cross-connect ordering experience and place an order without LOA. We have introduced a new ordering experience that allows an easier, optimized, and precise ordering view. This new experience provides an updated design, ordering workflow, and robust feature enhancement, which gives a customer unique experience across different product lines. Once you log into the customer portal, you can reach to the unified CC view in two ways. One is from the navigation button, collocation, and reach to the Cross Connect landing page, where you can see a new tile Cross Connect with Digital LOA. The same thing can be achieved from orders and tickets menu. Go to Cross Connect and you will be landed on the same landing page. Once you click on the Cross Connect with Digital LOA, you have three different options to place the order. One is using the Digital LOA token, another by uploading a Digital LOA file. Third one is order without LOA. In today's demo, we are going to talk more about the order without LOA flow. Once you click on the connect to a provider, you will see all the G-side provider list with which you can place the connection. Proceed to select any one of the provider and click on next. You have to select the A-side IBX followed by the G-side IBX, after which the add connection button will be enabled. This will be landing us to the connection configuration page where you have to fill all the asset details for A side followed by G side. If you wish to select the patch my equipment and add cross connect light link verification, you can do so by clicking on these checkboxes. You have to do the same operation for the G side filling information. Once that is done, you can either proceed to click on save and close or save and add connection. If you go for save and add close, it will be adding only this particular connection details and the same will be reflected under the connection details summary. If you wish to add more connection in the same operation, then you have to click on save and add next. Now you can cross verify the same records data entry over here. You can edit and delete the records as per your requirement. If you wish to provide any additional information through the additional details notes or by uploading a document, you can do so by these two options. Proceed to click on next. Here you can select the scheduling services. This is a new look and feel of the new scheduler view, calendar view, which has been deployed and in production from August release onwards. If you wish to get more information about the new scheduler calendar view, you can refer the document and the recording in our document repository. After selection of the scheduling type and the date, please click on next. This will take you to the contact information page. Here you can cross-verify your ordering contact, technical contact, and notification contact. Once everything is in place, click on next. Here is the review order page, which has a consolidated view of all the details selected so far, the connection details, additional details, contact information. You have to review also along with the pricing information. You have to accept the terms and condition prior to moving for the submission of the order. Also, you have the option to download the summary. It will provide a PDF document to your email. Also, you can download the same into the local machine. Then you can proceed for the order submission. Once the order is submitted successfully, it will provide the order number. Also, there is a link to redirect to the order history page. We can track the order over the order history page as well. We have an order summary option here, which will provide the same information in this section. Also, you can download the summary in this page. With this information, we are done with the demo for the order without LOA flow. Thanks for watching.